Welcome back to the wonderful world of pallet rating table maintenance. If you're onto this step, that means you have successfully added a tariff into your system. And this is step number 2. This is the pallet rating table maintenance. And if you look at the bottom, the first question it asks for is the enter tariff ID. Well, using the example that we used in the previous program, or previous video, we added a tariff called test 77. So let's just go right along with that and add this table to test 77. Now if you look at the bottom, it asks for an add, change, delete, inquire, or next. Well, let's just do an A to add because we are adding an initial record. So we're going to hit an A to add, and this is going to be the table ID. Now these are going to be the different table rates that are going to be tied to this tariff. For now, we can just say TB1 for table 1 and just press return. An effective date. Now this is going to ask you to key in an effective date. You can put in today's date, you can predate it, you can say 01/01/10, January 1st 2010, or you can set the effective date for the future. For now we're just going to put January 1st 2010. And if you have an expiration date, you can enter it in here. We have reports that'll run, that'll keep you up to date on these expiration dates. For now, let's just press return and set it to have no expiration date. Alright. The next prompt is going to come up and say enter the charge method per pallet, which is a per pallet charge, or a flat charge, which is a flat charge. For now, let's do an F for flat charge, and I'll show you how this works. The next question is going to come up and say enter the number of pallets. Well, let's just say 1 pallet, a maximum weight, say 2,000 pounds, and the charge of $52. Well, after keying that in, it's going to ask you for if you'd like to add another weight break. If you'd like, we can hit a Y for yes. I'll show you how this works. Let's put a Y for yes, and it's going to say okay. Again, 1 pallet, and what is the max weight break for 1 pallet? So let's say 2,500, and we're going to say that charge is $59. Alright, and then it's going to come up again and ask if you'd like to add another weight break. We're going to say no, we're not going to add another weight break. So it's going to say enter number of pallets or return. Let's just go down, let's add number 2, maximum weight, say 3,000 pounds, and the charge, let's say 72. Alright, and then you keep going and going and going, and you set it up accordingly. Again, thank you for your time, and basically that is all there is to it. Again, this is program number 2 in a series of 3. Thanks again.